Welcome to online classes student. Today we are going to start a new topic, successor and predecessor. So for the simple form we have to understand successor and predecessor. The number just after a given number is successor. So just right there you can see what is written here, after a given number, which means we have to add a number, right? So this is called successor. We add 1 to number and it gets successor, right? Now the second girl wants to say the number just before a given number is its predecessor, right? We subtract 1 from number 2 gets its predecessor, right? Its successor and predecessor, right? Now come to this way, what this boy wants to say and how he wants to explain us about the successor or predecessor, right? So this is a different way of saying what comes after or what comes before. So in this way we can say this one known as after and before, right? So let's take a look. In the successor, what we do, like if there is 245 and we have to find 245 after, right? After digit. So what we will do, we plus them. We plus 1 because we only want one digit more in successor, right? So what we will do, we plus 1, so it becomes 246. Here you can see 392 plus 1, it's become 393, which means 392 successor is 393, 411 successor is 412, 599 successor is 600, and 1250 successor is 1251. This one is all about successor, how we add and how we get the successor, right? So let's take a look on predecessor, right? Predecessor, it's pronounced as predecessor, right? So let's take a look. In this term, what we have to do, we have to write before, which means we have to minus 1. If there is written 245 minus 1, so what we will get? We will get 244. So this is the you can see here. And when we 392 minus 1 equal to 391, this one is predecessor, right? These all are predecessor of these digits. So you can see here better. 411 minus 1 is 410, this one is predecessor. 590 minus 1, 598. 1250 minus 1 is 1249. Right, students? Now here is an example of some of in detail. You can see what is predecessor and what is successor. So this one is before, and this one is before, and this one is after, and this one is number given to us. If number is given to us like 1550, we have to write the predecessor, we will write 1549, right? Or we have to write successor, then we will add 1551. So you can see here the lot of example is given to you that how to do. If you can't remember these things that we have to plus in successor and predecessor, so you can see here, just write the number before and after. This one is easy for you if you want to do this, right? So you can see here, this number will given to us and we have to write the predecessor, which means before the number, and when give it to successor we have to write after the number, right? After and before. So here some examples are given to us in your chapter exercise E. So you can see here what I have done. Like successor we have to do, which means plus. So 6,991. Here you can see here is 2,999, so we have to plus 1, that become 3,000. There is the same example like in our this page, right? So we have to look same before and after, procedure and successor, 1 minus n plus 1, right? So here what is written here, write 4 successor, one after another, write the numbers, and you have to write the, after this digit you have to write 4 successors. So you can write here 4 successors, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, which means one after another, right? Here is procedure, which means before you have to write 1,649 before 1,648. So these are given in your exercise, you have to, which you have to done in your book, right? Okay student, thank you.